Hi, for those who own a Toyota Land Cruiser from RC4WD drive, are only too familiar with this picture here. Today I'm going to talk to you about the prop shops, the original prop shops that come with the Land Cruiser. This rear one here, as you can see, is already twisted, although I had filled in the hollow part of the male side of the prop shaft, but it's twisted. When I remove it, I will show it to you how it's twisted. The front one fell off somewhere and I lost it. This is from a raid. I had to modify it slightly to get it to fit, but it was doing its job until the order I placed at MIP had arrived. MIP used to make a set of prop shops for this Land Cruiser by RC4WD drive, but they stopped it for some reason. And I wrote to them and asking if they could put together the parts, which are still available separately but not as a kit, and they came up with this package. The package they put together was the original prop shops for the Traxxas Slash, part number 10130, but two of the ends of the prop shops don't match, so they included in the package part number 10136. They gave me two of them and some grub screws, which is supposed to fit on the FJ40 Land Cruiser from RC4WD drive. So now I'm going to take the old prop shops off. I will show you how they are twisted and assemble the new MIP prop shops, and show you what I removed from the original kit and what I added, and then assemble the prop shops on the truck. So after opening all the packets and taking the parts out, I've selected the parts that I will need for my case, and I'm left with all these that I don't need. Maybe I'll do something with them. I don't know, paperweight or something. Anyway, this is it here. I'm going to assemble these and show them to you done. I'm sure you've seen people assembling these before, so I don't need to show you. So as you can see, I've assembled the prop shops. Very simple process, like I said. You've seen this done before, and if you haven't, I'm sure there's 100 videos out there that can show you how to do it. So now I'm going to take apart the prop shops from the Land Cruiser, show you the twisted parts, and reassemble these in place. Until then. Okay, I've successfully installed the new MIP prop shops. Very pleased how well they fit, and it was very straightforward. Here we are. No binding, nothing. Perfect. So that's cleared. Now let me show you the old ones. This is the one from the raid. I had to cut, and it was filled, but it's not perfect, but it did the job. In fact, I'll keep it for a rainy day. This is the original one that came with the Land Cruiser. I believe this is the Punisher. As you can see, it's twisted at the very top. Although there's a solid steel bolt in there, it still managed to twist itself. I'll keep these just the same, but I can't see me using them again. For me, my cars need to perform, and I want to go out on the trail with the peace of mind that no silly cheap part is going to stop me from having fun. So if you are interested in upgrading your prop shops from the stock plastic prop shops to something decent. Not cheap, but decent. Very good quality. I would strongly recommend get your MIP prop shops. Part numbers I gave you, and I will list them also in the description, and hopefully I will put a link too. Hope this is of some help to some people. If it is, let me know. Until the next time, bye.